Alright, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, City of Electrons. So today we'll be talking about matrix. Okay, matrix, very important in MATLAB. Recall that the name MATLAB is it stands for Matrix Laboratory. Okay, so it's important we talk about matrix. And when we say matrix, we just mean a two-dimensional array. Okay, that's just like a simple way to look at it. Two-dimensional array consisting of m rows and n columns, where the m just mean rows, number of rows, and the n just mean number of columns. So I think I should still have this. So in this case, this example I have here is a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, a 2 by 3 matrix. So we can confirm this in MATLAB. Okay, so when we say a 2 by 3 matrix, we mean the rows, we have 2 rows, the column, we have 3 columns. Simple as that. Okay, so but there's a special case. If we do not, like, we just have one column, that means m can be like 2, 3 and so on. Okay, and n is just 1. This is a column vector. Column vector because the name vector in terms of matrix or in MATLAB implies or talks about one-dimensional array. Okay, so now of course we can have a one-dimensional array like this. We can have it like this, so just 1. But the thing is, in this case, what we have is 1 by n. Okay, meaning our m, that's the row, is just one row, but our column is 1, 2, 3 columns. Our column is more than 1. So these are the special cases for matrix, which is a row vector, and for this is a column vector. So if our column is 1, then it's a column vector. If our row is 1, it's a row vector. Okay, so let's go to MATLAB. Now we can generate or create a matrix in MATLAB, okay, by simply doing this. Of course, to create a matrix you need the elements in the matrix. So let's say matrix A. Okay, matrix A, and to create a matrix you use square bracket. Okay, and then you just type in what you need. Note that we can separate elements in a row with just a space or comma, whichever one you make use of, it works. So let me just close this and press enter, and then we have it. There we have it here. So these are the elements in the matrix, but this is a row matrix, meaning it's a one-dimensional array. It's a vector of one dimension. It's a vector meaning one-dimensional array. It has 1 row and 3 columns, so it's 1 by 3. Look at this in our workspace. We have it size 1 by 3, meaning we have 1 row and 3 columns. Okay, now we can also make this special matrix, which is a vector, a row vector. We can also do this. Let me give that a different one. We can do this. Now instead of having a row, let's have a column. So this is a row vector, so now let's have a column vector. For a column vector, we separate it using semicolon. Okay, so once you do that, semicolon this, semicolon this. Usually I like to put space in between for to make it like neat. I like to do that. Good. Now we'll make that separation using semicolon. Instead of having them in a single row, we're going to have them in a single column. So let's press enter and see that. Yeah. So now we have, look at it now, we have 3 by 1 matrix. So we just have a single column with 3 rows, and that makes it a column vector. Okay, now the next thing is, how do we, let's create a matrix, because these are just vectors. or column vector, row vector. How do we create a matrix? So to have something like 3 by 3 or 3 by 2 or 4 by whichever one, 4 by 300, 4 by 9. So let's let me give vector c. Vector c equals, now this what happens. Since we know that this is how we create our column, our row, we can do that by saying 1 space 2 space 3. This is in a single row. Remember, to go to a new column, we put semicolon. What am I saying? This is in a single row. Okay. To go to the next line, which is to go to the next row, yeah, we put a semicolon. So if I put a semicolon here, meaning I am through with the first row, I want to work on the second row. Get it? Now, the second row, let me say we have 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay, let me just leave it like that. So now I have placed 3 elements in my first column. So in my first row, column 1, column 2, column 3. Stop. Go to the next row. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Stop. Let me put it stop. Stop. Go to the next row. Column 1, column 2, and column 3. Oh, I just like this to be 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Stop. Now, I created one row having 3 columns. I created another row having same 3 columns. I created another row having same 3 columns. Enter, and let's see. Now we have a beautiful matrix, which is what? 3, 3, which is right here, 3 by 3. Okay? This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Let me just assign this to A. No. A equals C. So all the values of A will be C. Thank you. Nice. Okay. So this is just a simple intro to creating a vector or a matrix. So now we've generated a matrix here in MATLAB, a beautiful matrix. Okay. So this last thing I did here is just I assigned all the values. That's what C is. I assigned that to A, meaning A equals C. So everything in C will be A. So now A is no longer that 1 by 3 again, it's now 3 by 3. A now bears the value of C. Okay, that's just by the way. So this video just displays what a matrix is and the special case of matrix. So we have a column, a row vector, and then we will have a column vector, seeing it right here in MATLAB. Okay, and a row vector, we just have a single row. A column vector, we have a single column, and then a matrix, we have more than one row, and we have more than one row, and we have more than one column. Okay, and you create the matrix by you separate this using comma or just a space. That will give you a number of columns in a single row. Then you put the semicolon to go to the next row. Okay, and you do same thing if you want. Okay, so yeah, that'll be all for this video. And if you have any question, of course, or if you have just comments, contribution, put them in the comment section, and then like, subscribe, share, click on notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.